The armature is the central part of your power tool's motor. It consists of windings, the commutator, a cooling fan, and the drive shaft. It also includes the armature bearings and the motor gear. The armature along with the field create an electromagnetic field that causes the armature to spin. The carbon brushes transfer electricity to the armature through the commutator. Over time, the commutator will wear from this constant contact. If the tool is overloaded, the armature can overheat and the insulation around the windings will burn away, creating a short circuit. When this occurs, there will be excessive sparking from the motor brushes and smoke or a burning smell from the motor. Replacing the armature is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the front gear case. I'll remove the anvil from the gear case. Now I'll remove half of the handle housing. There's a sticker at the rear of the housing I'll cut in half. To remove the brush card, I'll lift the motor assembly away from the housing. I'll pull the armature away from the brush card. Now I'll separate the motor from the gearbox. I'll remove the field from the armature. Now I can install the new armature. I'll slide the field over the armature. You'll notice there's 2 notches on the field. Those notches should be pointing out towards the drive gear and gearbox. Now I'll install the motor back into the gearbox. Now I need to get the brush card ready to reinstall the motor. I'll pull the brush out of the holder and then set it off to the side. There's some grooves on the sides of the brush holders to hold the spring. I'll pull the brushes back into the holders. And now I can slide the commutator into the brush ring. And I'll place the springs back over the brushes. Now I'll place the motor and gearbox assembly back into the housing. I'll align the notch on the field with the tab on the gearbox. The notch and tab align with the housing and lock into place. I'll make sure the switch, the circuit board, terminal, and all the wires are tucked down into the housing. Now I can reinstall the other half of the housing. Now I'll install the anvil onto the gearbox. I'll make sure I offset the ears on the anvil with the hammers on the gearbox. And I'll reinstall the gear case, sliding it over the handle and aligning it with the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new armature assembly in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.